Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. Here we are about 20 minutes from Alcala Real and around 40 minutes from the city of Granada to look at this beautifully renovated village house. We're in the province of Granada in Andalusia. So just off the main sitting room is this lovely kitchen, and you can walk through to the hallway here. As you can see, there's nice granite worktops, oven, gas hob, all of the things that you'll need, with a beautiful large window with views over the patio. And if we go through into the hallway, back round towards the sitting room, is the first of 4 bedrooms. It's a very useful ground floor bedroom with a lovely ensuite shower room, fully tiled, rainfall shower, very, very nicely done. Good high ceilings. It's a beautiful sense of space in this house. So let's go upstairs. You can see the lovely hallway, full height ceilings with wood beamed detailing at the top. A little hallway which leads to the family bathroom, excellent size with good storage. Up one more step, and on the left we have another decent sized bedroom with beautiful ceilings. And then on the right, another good sized bedroom. Again, beautiful high ceilings, really good quality workmanship. Let's go take a visit outside. You're about to see the absolute jewel of this house, this stunning courtyard with swimming pool. The 4th bedroom is here. Now a large room, really high ceilings, absolutely beautiful. And you could cut through this bit here to gain direct access to the bathroom. So you have a very nice pool, 3 metres by 4 metres, and this stunning covered area here. Really beautifully made. The quality is absolutely first class. So you benefit completely from sun and shade, and you always have somewhere wonderful to either sunbathe or sit, watch the birds and have a nice shady spot. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification button to be informed of all of our upcoming videos. Leave comments and questions in the section below, and please do share this video. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please request that too in the comments below. Thank you for watching.